Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ideas for Fashion. So how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing great. So friends, here I am back with my very beautiful and very simple collection of skirts and also ruffle skirt designs. So in this video you will find different styles of skirt designs and wrap style skirts as well. So these skirt designs are trending in fashion, so video will gonna very helpful and useful for you. So if you found it useful, please like to my video. For more beautiful designs, I must suggest please watch my video till end, and many more beautiful designs and many more beautiful ideas in this video. And I hope you will share this collection with your family members and your friends. So guys, all these designs are so elegant, so beautiful. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends of dresses, so please subscribe to my channel and also visit to my channel. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas on my YouTube channel. And I hope you also found it very helpful and useful for you. So if you subscribe to my channel, please also click the bell icon. So after clicking bell icon, you will get the notification of my new upcoming videos, and you will never miss my any video and my any collection in my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video.